All right. So let me start by introducing to you the key to ultimate wellness. Well, all of us, whatever we're doing, it's either we are employed, we are into business, but later on in our lives, we will all be retirees, right? We will be having a double citizenship, and the other one will be senior citizenship, right? So when that time come to us, we will still be healthy and happy. Do you want that life? Yes. So that's the theme of our presentation tonight, sharing to you the ultimate wellness because that's our goal in our life, right? Mahirap naman po yung tumanda tayo ng uugod-ugod at magmukhang kawawa. Right? So ngayon pa lang, paghandaan na po natin, let's be concerned about our health hanggat may lakas pa. Right? So mag-invest tayo na mag-invest, hindi lang sa financial, but let's invest in our health. Right? So that's our goal, to be healthy and happy. Right? But let me share to you the reality of our daily life and the reality of the 70% of our population, which is having different health issues. Yan, so makikita nyo dyan sa picture o yung mga nakasulat dyan, yan yung mga several mga health issues na na-experience natin araw-araw. Occasional tiredness, mood swings, head discomfort, body heaviness, yung feeling mo, ang bigat ang katawan mo, not feeling well, kaya naapektuhan ang productivity mo sa trabaho, sa negosyo, right? And there's a lot of experiences ano natin, na encounter natin every day. At sabi ngayon sa TCM, sa traditional Chinese medicine, because we believe they are well known for this alternative medicine, right? According to TCM, cold and dampness are the root causes of illnesses. Naniniwala po ba kayo dyan? Right? So, wag na muna natin pag-usapan yung mga seryosong mga sakit po ba? Yun lang, mga minor lang na na-experience natin everyday. Saan nga ba yan ang gagaling? Of course, dyan sa sinasabi na cold and dampness. Ano yung cold? Coldness can lead to symptoms such as cold body, cold hands, cold feet. At sa tingin nyo, bakit natin na-experience itong mga bagay na ito? It's because our work environment is in an air-conditioned room. Right? Di po ba? Alos buong maghapon, nasa air-conditioned room. It's either sa office or kung self-employed sa bahay. Right? So yung mga virtual assistant, lalong-lalo na yung mga nasa call center, di ba? Gabi ang kanilang trabaho. So napakalamig, napakaginaw. So sa tingin nyo, yung lamig sa environment, saan napupunta yon? Sa loob ng katawan. At doon nagkaka-start na medyo mag-feel tayo ng hindi maganda. So doon yan nagsisimula. Kaya nga po, 'di ba, pag kami experience nyo, kayo ay magpapa-massage. Di po ba sasabihin ng mga therapist, sir or ma'am, ako meron po kayong mga maraming bukol-bukol. At ano yung ibig niya sabihin ng mga bukol? Yan yung mga lamig na namuo. At doon na magsisimula yan. So other thing is what we call dampness. Dampness in the body may cause your body to feel heaviness and sometimes it lead to edema, yung mga manas. Di po ba? So yung mga dampness na yan, magkaparehas sila nung cold. Di po ba? Kung saan natin yan nakukuha sa mga malalamig na mga environment. Okay? And then yan yung nagiging causes. Pagka na-experience natin yan everyday, right? So, it will lead to a condensation. Medyo technical na yung mga terms. So, meaning to say niyan, unti-unti nang naaapektuhan yung blood flow natin, pati yung blood circulation, metabolism, unti-unti nang nagkukos ng minor illness lang naman. Pero pag hindi natin siya na-address, it will lead to a much more serious illnesses in our body. So, ang ginagawa natin, pagka na-experience tayo nung we feel cold, right? At nagli-lead na yan sa hindi magandang pakiramdam, masakit ang likod, masakit ang kasukasuhan, kung ano-anong mga masasakit sa katawan, right? And we are lead to using mga temporary na mga solution. At alam niyo naman yan, di po ba, the pain relieving patch. Right? So pagka nilagay mo yan, it will emit a heat. And that heat, somehow will give you comfort. Kaya lang, paulit-ulit. Almost every day, maglalagay ka ng mga bagay na ganyan. Right? O kaya naman, sa ibang lugar, katulad dito sa Mindanao, ito ang uso dito, yung liniment oil, yung haplas na tinatawag to. So the same concept, you're infusing heat into your body because heat can give us a temporary comfort. But tonight, we're going to share to you something that can be a permanent solution. Not really 100%, but it is much more an improvement compared to a temporary uh, solution. And this is what we call iTeracare because this is the most powerful wellness device today. And talking about wellness, it should be a modern alternative approach, right? Di po ba ang mga estudyante sa school nila o kaya mga employee sa trabaho or mga negosyante sa business, they are utilizing modern technology, right? In their work, in their business, in their school. Pero di po ba pinag-uusapan natin, ang goal natin is being healthy and happy. So dapat po pagdating sa health natin, modern din po ang ginagamit natin. Right? Di po ba? Dahil sa makabago na po ang panahon ngayon, dapat pagdating sa health, makabago na rin. At dito magsuswak itong ini-introduce natin sa inyo about eye care. Right? So it comes in several models. Makikita nyo, iba't ibang design ang ating produkto. The first is the iTera Care Pro. It is heavy duty, mostly used in clinics and wellness centers. It is very powerful, right? And of course, the classic, the commonly used device because of its affordability and of course effectivity. Right? And of course, the Premium Plus, this is the most modern version. It is much easy to use because it's compact, mas maliit, mas magaan, very easy to maneuver, mas madali siyang gamitin dahil meron siyang timer at saka beeping sound, right? Para ma-remind ka na you need to move to another point wherein you will blow your different parts of your body. And inside this device, the iTeracare is a patented 3-in-1 core technology that combines terahertz, frequency, quantum energy, and optical quartz. Later on, we're going to explain to you what this terahertz because this is a new terminology for all of us, right? And quantum energy, I believe some or most of you have already known this technology. This is came out in the market a decade ago, and it's so powerful. Okay, so it's also part of this technology, and of course the optical quartz. Okay, so we are not just talking about product. We are talking about technology, but because again, we are now in the modern generation. Nagkakatalo po ang lahat pagdating sa technology. Okay, so first, terahertz is a kind of frequency because marami pong klase ng mga frequency. Okay, later on, I'm going to show you different kinds of frequency. But particularly, we're going to talk about terahertz. Okay, it is discovered to be good in human body compared to other kinds of frequency that is harmful to human body. Okay, so the device also generates quantum energy. It is part of the technology. It balances our bodily system and this energy penetrates deeper into our body organs. So remember nyo po yung characteristic ng quantum because it will make sense later on do sa effectivity ng ating produkto. And of course, the core component of the device is the crystal energy tube. This is made from hundreds of different mineral ingredients that is molded through high temperature technology. Kaya ito pong produkto natin, hindi ito basta-basta because it is a combination of three major technology rolled into one. And together, these components are designed to support body relaxation, which is what we need in our very stressful life. And of course, this technology will promote microcirculation, proper metabolism, and it will bring back the frequency of the body to its original state. Okay, so let me introduce to you to the concept of this technology. Okay, para at least abang ginagamit naman natin itong iTera Care natin, naiintindihan natin ano ba ang meron dito sa produkto na ito, bakit ito sumikat around the globe. Iba't ibang nationality talaga naman pong they are very much interested in this kind of product. Bakit nga kaya? So let's explore the concept, yung pinanggalingan nitong technology nito. Okay, so the first concept came from Albert Einstein. We know that he is one of the greatest scientists that ever lived. According to him, the future medicine will be the medicine of frequencies. Di po ba? Ang alam natin, pag narinig natin yung medicine, yung mga health supplements, food supplements, mga herbal, o kaya yung mga prescription drugs na binibigay ng mga doctors, right? So yun yung alam natin about medicine. Pero sabi dito ni Einstein, kakaiba. Di po ba? Dahil he is a scientist. So sabi niya, the medicine of future medicine will be the medicine of frequency. Ano po ba itong frequency nito? It is highly technical. Nosebleed tayo dito. So we will not dwell more on the technicalities about frequency. Parang cellphone lang po ba yan? Right? Di po ba? Masyadong high-tech ang isang cellphone. Pero hindi na naman natin inaalam pa paano ba nakakatawag, paano ba nakakasend ng messages. Di po ba? Basta gagamitin na lang natin because it is much useful to us. The smartphones right now. So same thing with this iTera Care. Kumbaga, I'm just giving you the concept, the history, the background of it para at least you have a little knowledge about it. Okay? So frequency, mga example nito is sound waves, radio waves, and so much more. Okay? I'm going to show you the spectrum, very wide spectrum of frequency because ito yung sinasabi ni Einstein. So pagka sinabi nating frequency, mga example yan, radio wave. So all of you know it already, especially yung mahilig makinig ng mga radyo nung unang panahon. Kasi sa panahon ngayon, wala na yatang radio tuner. Ang uso ngayon, syempre, of course, the smartphones, yan, which is utilizing a microwave kind of frequency. And ano pa? X-ray. Di po ba? Yan yung mga iba't ibang klase ng example ng mga frequencies. So kung mapapansin nyo, may mga number dito. So on the left side, yun yung mga frequency na mahina lang naman ang epekto sa katawan ng tao. Pero pagka yung mga on the further right, yan yung mga matataas na numbers already. Okay? Example ng X-ray. Those are very harmful to human body. And technically, when you say frequency, it is radiation. And when you heard about radiation, ang una pumapasok sa isip natin is harmful to our body. Yes, it is harmful to our body, but it depends on the kind of frequency. Tulad po ng radio wave, yung mga nakikinig naman ng radyo, right? May epekto yan, pero very minimal. Pero yung X-ray, di po ba matindi ang epekto niyan sa katawan ng tao? Right? Ito ang maganda na pag-usapan natin about the discovery of a certain frequency. Nandun sa gitna, yung na-discover ng mga American scientists in the mid-1980s. And ano yung na-discover nila? A particular frequency called terahertz. Sabihin nyo nga po, terahertz. Yan. So yung terahertz na yan, is ang na-discover nila is very good for human body. Remember, when you say frequency, radiation, harmful. Pero itong terahertz, it's not harmful. It's very good for human body. And bakit siya naging very good for human body? It's because yung vibrational measurement nitong frequency na ito ay katulad ng vibrational measurement ng katawan natin. Nag-match sila. That's why it's very good for human body. So, in-explore pa ng mga scientists, ano ba ang pwedeng magawa ng terahertz sa katawan ng tao? So, marami pong lumabas ng mga scientific data on terahertz and human health. Katulad yan, treatment of angina, so much more. Marami pa pong mga research paper on the health benefits of terahertz. So kung kayo po ay gusto nyong i-research ang ating produkto, huwag nyo lang pong basta i-research ang iTeracare because iTeracare is the finished product. But I can suggest that you research the technology behind our product. So you research more on the terahertz frequency in biomedical field. So doon yung malalaman na itong terahertz has been widely used over the years already. Right? So it is already located in the medical journal. At ito yung mga references ng mga medical practitioners. Okay? So that is the first concept about frequency as medicine in our present generation. Okay? So the second concept came from Hippocrates. He is our ancient father of medicine. Okay? So ito yung very important na kanyang declaration. Listen very carefully because this will give hope, pag-asa para sa mga nakikinig ngayon, lalo na yung mga first-timers. Of course, I believe kaya kayo nag-try makinig o nag-join sa presentation because you are hoping, you are praying that hopefully, right, na merong maging improvement sa inyong health condition sa ngayon. Lalo na yung maraming tinitake ng mga maintenance drugs or medicine throughout the years already. Siyempre, alam natin, pagod na kayo kakainom ng mga maintenance medicine and you are praying na somehow merong maging solusyon. Ito na nga po, posible po na ito ang maging solution or answered prayer para sa inyo. Because according to Hippocrates, all diseases can be treated. Posible daw gumaling ang lahat ng klase ng sakit. Ang tanong is, paano? So, ang sagot ni Hippocrates is this one. If there's a way to heat the bones. So, kung meron daw pong paraan para mainitan ang buto, then, posibleng gumaling ang lahat ng klase ng sakit. Tama? Ito po ay mensahe ng pag-asa. Kaya lang ang tanong is, anong paraan para mainitan ang buto nang hindi mapapaso ang balat po natin? Alright? So, yan po yung pag-uusapan natin. Okay. And itong concept ni Hippocrates way back 25 years o 25 centuries ago pa, it is validated in modern time by a author, German author, nung sinulat niya itong book na ito, that 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Kung i-convert natin into our local unit of measurement, this is 37 degrees Celsius or centigrade. Ito daw po ang ideal body temperature for optimum health. 37 degrees Celsius. Normal po ba yan? Kung iisipin natin, hindi. Because our normal body temperature is just ranging from 36 point something. Okay? 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. Pagka nag-37 na yan, anong interpretation natin? We are already feverish. Parang may sinat ka na. Well, that's what we know. Because pagka ganun ang nangyayari sa katawan natin, ang interpretation natin doon, tayo ay langhap o nakasagap ng virus, bacteria, okay, na nagkukos ng irregularity sa katawan natin. Kaya tumataas ang ating body temperature into this. But in this concept na pinag-uusapan natin, it is normal, under normal body condition without any infection. So normal body condition, tapos i-elevate into 37 degrees Celsius ang body temperature. At yan daw po ang kailangan ng katawan natin. Remember, yung introduction natin kanina, yung concept ng TCM, saan daw nanggagaling ang karamihan ng mga sakit? Cold and dampness. Yung lamig. Kaya sinabi dito sa concept ni Hippocrates at itong libro na ito, na kailangan mag-infuse ka ng init sa katawan mo to combat yung lamig sa loob ng katawan. Kailangan kasi mawala yung lamig na yan eh. Dahil yan yung nagkukos ng mga sakit natin. So, ang tanong, paano na i-expose natin yung katawan natin to heat? Ano po bang ginagawa ng ibang mga karamihan sa atin? Yung sauna, okay? Which is hindi naman a normal thing, di po ba? It's quite expensive. Tapos hindi naman siya talaga readily available. Pupunta ka pa sa mga spa for you to experience yung sauna. Yung iba naman, nagpapamassage, nagpapalagay ng hard stone massage, right? But of course, you cannot do that every day. Right? Kumbaga, pagka talagang matindi yung sakit ng katawan, tsaka lang tayo magpupunta sa massage or kaya sa spa. Okay? So good news because ang pinag-uusapan natin ngayon is towards wellness and we are talking about eye therapy which has a 3-in-1 core technology and one of its feature is about heat penetration. The heat is penetrating our body 20 to 30 centimeters. So imagine isang ruler po yan. So nakikita nyo po yan sa screen nyo, no? So nagbo-blower po yan sa shoulder. So meaning to say, yung heat na lumalabas dyan sa ating eye therapy ay hindi niya lang naiinitan yung skin. Hindi lang naiinitan yung muscular level. E yan po ay nagpe-penetrate 20 to 30 centimeter. So it is reaching the bone. Right? Which is yun yung sabi kanina ni Hippocrates, right? That kung gusto mong gumaling, kailangan mong painitan ng buto. So ito na po yun. Ito na yung paraan. The wherein, mag-iinitan ng buto ang hindi napapasok ang inyong balat. Because again, we are talking about technology. Baka kasi isipin ng iba, gumamit na lang ako ng hair dryer, mainit yun eh. Alright, but don't you try it because instead na makatulong, makakasama po yun. Because yung hair dryer is intended to dry your hair. But this iTera Care, it is different. It is a wellness device. Infusing heat, it will penetrate your body deep down to the bone marrow. Ano nga bang meron sa buto? Bakit kailangan painitan? Okay? It's because in the bone marrow, diyan po napuproduce ng katawan natin ang stem cell. Right? And tayo naman po is nakakapag-produce ng stem cell ang katawan natin nung bata pa tayo. Pero nung nagkakaedad na tayo, we are exposed to too much stress in our life. Kaya yon naging stagnant, inactivated ang production ng ating stem cell. So, pagka yan po ay nainitan, so, maa-activate po ulit ang ating mga stem cells. Ma-activate man siya, but this time around in a much faster uh, pace. Right? Meaning to say, the more you blow your back, specifically your spine, which is yan po yung isa sa pinaka very rich ang stem cells dyan sa bone marrow na yan, yung spine natin, that you will blow it every day. Hindi po kung kailan lang kayo may sakit, not feeling well, tsaka lang kayo mag-blower ng iTera Care. You need to do this every day. Because the concept is when you are blowing, you're infusing heat to your bone marrow, na-activate yung stem cells. At itong stem cells na ito yung ginagamit ng katawan natin to repair all the damages inside our body. Kung meron pong damage yung liver, yung kidney, yung pancreas, yung heart, yung brain, or any tissue in our body, ito po ang gagamitin ng katawan to repair it all. Kaya nga po sabi ni Hippocrates, all diseases can be treated. Basta tuloy-tuloy yung production o yung activation ng ating stem cell sa katawan natin. Right? So ito po ang sikreto kung bakit yung mga naririnig nyo, yung mga nag-invite sa inyo, bakit kayo nakinig ngayon? Because nalaman nyo na nung gumamit sila ng iTeracare, gumaling sila. Kaya ang thinking is ang iTeracare ang nagpagaling. But because of our explanation right now, it is not the iTeracare na nagpagaling. And ano ang nagpagaling? Yun pong sarili nating katawan. So when we use iTeracare, we are promoting self-healing because our body is capable of healing ourselves because it is the ultimate design of God because our body is a perfect system, right? So that it can heal ourselves. So natural way of healing ourselves, right? So there's a lot of benefits of heating the body. At isa na nga po dyan, yung powerful painkiller because sabi nga po natin kanina, no? Na-experience natin yung different kinds of pains inside our body. Joint pains, headache, stomach ache, iba't ibang klase ng sakit. Right? So, yung hindi natin, yung common natin na alam, yung mga temporary solution. But this time around, with iTeracare, we can declare something permanent that can really help improve our health conditions. All right? So, iTeracare is best for against various inflammation because yung pinag-usapan natin kaninang cold and dampness, ang unang nagiging epekto niyan ay inflammation. At pagka umabot na sa level ng ganyan, karoon na ng inflammation, ito na yung tinatawag nating mga sakit katulad ng rhinitis, pharyngitis, gastritis. At ito na, it will now lead to a much more serious sickness and diseases to our body. Okay, so malaki yung may tutulong ng iTeracare against inflammation para hindi na tumuloy. Okay? And of course, ang epekto nga niyan is discomfort. So when we use iTeracare, it will give us comfort in our body. Of course, it removes various blockages in the body. Well, syempre, napakasipag natin kumain, di ba? It's good. It's very good to eat. When the food is so delicious, we keep on eating and eating, right? So marami tayong pinapasok, pero hindi naman tayo nakakapag-detox, right? So yung mga kinakain natin, it stays inside our body, specifically sa mga veins natin. At pagka yan ang nagbara, ayan na. There's a tendency na pumutok yan, everything. So, kailangan ma-detox. So, using iTeracare can help remove various blockages in the body because of its heat and of course because of the power of its terahertz. Okay? So, yung mga it promotes proper metabolism, it promotes detoxification. At hindi lang yan, may bonus pa tayo because it is great for skin beautification. Sino ba naman ang ayaw gumanda? Okay, so akala nyo mga ladies lang, pati mga gentlemen, gusto rin namin gumanda. Right? So ang tanong, paano nga ba gagamitin ang iTeracare? So let me show you a video. This is the ideal way of using iTeracare. So para ka nagpapamassage, nakadapa, wala kang suot na damit. So ang una pong i-blower yung kamay, yung paa, and then later on, yung spine na po. Yan yung pinaka-main focus ng pagbo-blower nyo. Ayan. Starting from the upper part going to the lower back. Yan po yung masarap. Because the heat will penetrate to your muscle and to your bone marrow. Yan pong process na yan, yan po yung masarap na pakiramdam because yung heat, yung init, talaga naman pong nanunuot sa inyong kalamnan. At yan ang magbibigay ng comfort. So wala pong sablay yan. Pagkatapos yung magpa-therapy ng ganyan, sigurado yan ang sarap matulog. Right? So kung hindi naman po posible yung ideal way, so do the practical way. So just sitting down while watching TV with your clothes on, tapos blower lang, you can do it with yourself. And also, wag na po kayong matatakot na gamitin sa mga kids. Okay? Because malaki po maitutulong yan sa pagtanggal po ng mga gas espasang para sa mga babies. And of course, yung bonus natin, about beautification. So you can use it in blowing your face. Yan. So i-blower nyo po on an upward position because the tendency of our skin is to sag. So you push, okay, you massage upwardly. Okay, habang nag-blow po kayo. Okay? And one more important thing is for you to charge the drinking water. Okay? Because as we all know, ang atin pong mga water container is made up of plastic. It is being delivered to us under the heat of the sun. So, may tendency po talaga na magkaroon ng chemical reaction. And with that, the tendency of the water is to be clustered, nagkukumpul-kumpul. Kaya po pagka minsan, di po ba, umiinom tayo, parang very coarse yung ating pag-inom. It's because nag-clusterize na nga po yung molecule ng water. So, ang gagawin po natin ay i-blower nyo yung tubig using the glass container, not plastic. Okay? So, makikita nyo po yan dyan sa inyong monitor, glass container, tapos i-blower nyo po yung isang glass, mga few seconds. And pagka yung mga malalaking jar na po yan, so around 3 to 5 minutes. Kaya yung iba bumibili na talaga ng holder nung iTera Care para turn on lang nila, mag-timer sila, 3 to 5 minutes. Alright? So kung kaya nyo naman pong gawin, holding it with your hands, you can do it. Alright? So the purpose of it is to bring back the linear chain molecular structure of the water to its original structure. Okay? So remember, it's not how much we drink, but it's how much we absorb. Kasi sabihin ng iba, ay malakas naman ako uminom ng tubig. Yes, pero ang tanong, naa-absorb ba ng body mo yung lahat ng iniinom mo? Okay? So makikita mo dito sa illustration, yung full hydration and partial hydration. Partial hydration is hindi nakakapasok sa mga cells natin yung water molecules, which is containing the oxygen that we need. Okay? Because malalaki nga po, clusterized yung mga molecules na yan. So kahit na sabihin mong uminom ka 8 glasses of water, pero ilan ang na-absorb. Okay? So ang full hydration is it can make happen by blowing the water that you are drinking. Dahil again, babalik siya sa kanyang original composition. So it enhances full hydration. So kung you are drinking 8 glasses of water, so at say 90% of it na absorb ng body natin, yung oxygen na needed ng katawan natin. So start charging your water. Okay? So I will remind you about the proper way of using it. What we're calling is the basic protocol, especially for the first timer. Napaka-importante po na sundin nyo po muna ito for the next 3 to 5 days. Alam kong excited kayo sa paggamit ng iTera Care, pero dahan-dahan lang po muna. Baka manibago po kasi ang katawan nyo dahil hindi naman po sanay na mainitan ng katawan tapos biglang diretso na kayo magpo-blower. So much better to follow this basic protocol. First is you need to drink 2 glasses of warm water. Mas maganda po kung warm para makondisyon na yung katawan natin dahil magbo-blower tayo ng mainit. So kung iinom muna tayo ng maligamgam na tubig, the better. Pero kung wala, tap water will do. Not cold water kasi magkokontrahan yung sa katawan natin. Iinom tayong malamig tapos iinitan natin. Okay, so the first thing you need to blow is the palm and the sole of your feet because we believe in the principles of reflexology that there are nerves in our hands and in our feet that is directly connected to different organs in the body. So pagka binoblower na po natin ang kamay at paa natin, meaning to say, na-stimulate na po yung iba't ibang organ sa katawan natin. At yun yung importante. Right? So after blowing the palms and sole of the feet, you blow behind the knee, the groin area, especially the gentlemen, especially those age is 50 years old and above. So dapat watchful na tayo sa ating prostate. So after taking a bath in the morning, so while drying your body, so you better dry the groin area or blow your groin area para ma-regulate yung status ng prostate natin. Okay, to prevent prostate enlargement or at worst, the prostate cancer. Better to do it every day. Okay? And para sa ladies naman, don't forget to blow your armpit because it is believed that there's a nerve directly connected to your breast. Okay? At alam naman po natin sa mga ladies yun ang very prominent ang breast cancer. Okay? So prevention is better than cure. And of course, blow the lymph nodes there. Dito. Yan, sa inyong neck, lower neck, right? And then upper back, in your head, in the butt area, and of course, the spine. Blow downwards, okay? And after that, drink 2 more glasses of warm water. Huwag niyo pong kakalimutan. Kasi pag hindi kayo nakainom, may tendency na ma-dehydrate kayo because syempre nag-evaporate yung mga fluids sa katawan niyo because of the heat. Right? Lalo na kung 30 minutes, 40 minutes, or 1 hour kayong nagbo-blower. So talagang madidehydrate kayo. So kailangan ma-replenish nyo yung fluid na nawala sa katawan nyo. Okay? So there are exceptions, okay, about pregnant, menstruation, and then stent in the heart, may mga implanted objects, may mga implanted lens in the eye, open wounds, and fractured bones. So the best thing that you can do is blow your extremities and not directly to the mentioned parts of your body. So they have a disclaimer that our iTera here is a household electrical device and it is not a medical device. I'm going to show you testimonies for all those who use the product. Okay, so first, tunayin na natin ang beautification. And so, syempre, pagka nagkakaedad na, marami ng guhit sa mukha. Okay, so yan, yung mga wrinkles. So, makikita nyo yan, ang dami palang guhit o ang daming linya sa mukha. Yan. So, yan po yung mga parts na i-blower nyo po. Okay, so i-adjust nyo lang po yung ano, no? Dahil syempre mainit, sensitive pa yung face. So adjust nyo lang po yung distance ng pag-blower nyo. So make sure na upward position, okay, yung pag-massage nyo. And makikita nyo naman po dito, no, na hindi lang mga Pilipinos, hindi lang mga Asians, but mga Europeans, Americans ang talaga naman pong nag-enjoy sa paggamit ng iTera Care sa hair, sa face nila, or in general for beautification purpose. Okay? And yung may mga blemishes sa face, yan. So malaki po maitutulong ng iTera Care, hindi lang sa mga blemishes, but sa mga skin problems, skin irritations. So the better po is you spray charged water, and then after that, yun, i-blower nyo na po yan. Okay, so malaking tulong po yan. Pagka severe yung irritation, you can do that twice a day in the morning and in the evening. Or even yung mga worst skin condition like psoriasis sa mga bata at even sa mga adults, yung mga worst cases. So malaki po ang maitutulong. We cannot guarantee 100% na mawawala because it's already in your system. It is a result of autoimmune disease. So, but one thing is for sure, it will relieve the itchiness and magla-lighten. Katulad ng mga nakikita nyo mga testimony. At hindi lang yan, there's a chance for a hairy growth. Yan. So, good news to sa mga may HIV, yung hair is vanishing. So, massage nyo lang po yan. Baka ma-activate pa po yung inyong hair follicle at unti-unting tumubo yung mga new hair nyo. At hindi lang yan, pati po sa mga to restore hair color. Okay? So, tsaga-tsagain nyo lang po na mag-blower. After nyo po maligo, yan, gawin nyo po talagang literal na pang-dry ng hair nyo. So, namamassage na yung scalp nyo, yung hair follicle para ma-activate. And of course, your brain cells. Remember, it is penetrating. So, nai-stimulate yung inyong mga brain cells. Okay? At hindi lang yan, Pwede po yan para sa mga may paralysis of facial muscle. Yung tinatawag nating Bell's palsy. Di po ba nakakatakot pagka tumabingi yung mukha mo, di ba? So ano nang nangyari? So it is part of a paralysis. Okay? So dahil nga po may init na lumalabas, so it is helping the muscle tissues na ma-relax. So para at bumalik ulit sa normal ang inyong mukha. Okay? And talking about inflammation, this is another example about the gout because this is an inflammatory arthritis. So makikita nyo naman po yan, no? Very, swelling na talaga yung paa. And then after blowing, na-reduce into 50% yung swelling. And then after that, ayan, back to normal. Normal, natural way. No pain reliever. Okay? Natural way of blowing. So another example of a swollen leg. So makikita nyo naman, ako po, is either manas yan or talaga namang inflammation. Siyempre, no, pagka ganyan ang sitwasyon, saan ka magre-rely? Sa gamot, po ba? So, it will affect your kidney. But through Itera Care, natural way of losing the the swelling and back to its original state, the natural way. So, another example is yung Raynaud's syndrome disease. Yan. So, it is an spasm. It is the small arteries that restrict blood flow. So, nakikita nyo naman the big improvement. Okay, what else? The prostate care, gentlemen. Yan, so monitor po natin ang PSA, the prostate specific antigen. So kailangan within the range lang po yung PSA. Okay, yan kasi po ang makaka-apekto sa prostate. Okay? And of course, sa mga abnormalities in the thyroid gland. Okay? And what else? Ayan. May mga varicose veins. Depende po sa severity. So, pwede po yan 7 days, 2 weeks, 1 month, or 2 months. Ayan. So, depende po sa case. Okay? Pero malaki po ang maitutulong yan. And of course, pati sa weight management. Yan. So, mas maganda po niyan ay in combination with exercise and of course, proper diet. So, meron po tayong uh, testimony in the United States. So makikita nyo naman the big difference. Okay? So makakatulong po yan. Alright, so that's the effect of the Itera Care blowers. But of course, aside from our product, there's a lot more product line of our company. Merong Itera Care BioLite, Oxytap, mga nutritional products. Yan. And of course, the newest product line is the MagnoSeek. This is an AI-powered wellness inside. Alam nyo, ang pinaka-the best dito sa MagnoSeek na to is yung pre-symptom detection. Right? Yung bago pa lang lumabas, mag-manifest yung symptom, kaya niya na pong ma-detect. It detects cellular imbalances in the body. So, yun yung the best, right? Because minsan, kasi kung kailan na-experience na natin yung symptoms, tsaka pa lang tayo magpapacheck up. O ba, hanapin pa kung ano yung may sakit. Kaya lang, pagka ganong case, minsan, it's too late already. So, mas maganda is, again, prevention. And the best thing to have that is through the use of MagnoSeek. So you better ask your sponsor, yung mga kakilala nyo sa grupo, kung sino yung merong MagnoSeek at magpaano po kayo. Okay, magpa-scan kayo para makita ano ba yung mga irregularities inside your body. Para at least meron kayong idea at magagawa nyo na agad ng early prevention. So that's the best. Okay, so the price of our product, generally, our Itera Care Classic is 380 in the Philippines. It is in dollar. Of course, in the US, it's 420. In the Middle East, it's $500, particularly in Israel. So notice nyo po, the prices vary per country because it's due to taxes and duties. Okay? So para po dito sa Pilipinas, ito po ang ating official price list as of 2025. Okay, so yan po, meron na kayong equivalent na peso. Okay, so once na nag-purchase po kayo, ay meron kayong 1-year product warranty. At para sa ibang mga produkto, maabot po hanggang 2 years ang warranty. Okay? And of course, together with that is the product liability insurance amounting to $1 million. Of course, that's for your peace of mind. So it only shows that our product is safe and effective to use. Okay? So I will now proceed directly to our compensation plan. So when you purchase, again, you are entitled for the product warranty, for the product liability insurance, and together with that is a product pin. Okay? So pagbili nyo po ng produkto, may product pin at yan po yung gagamitin yung pang-register. So pag nag-register po kayo, it corresponds to three different entry packages. That's silver, gold, and diamond. So every product has its own corresponding product point or yung PB or point value. At yung point value na yan also corresponds to a particular entry package. For example, yun pong Itera Care Classic na pinag-uusapan natin, pero pong point value yan na 200. So yung 200 na yan, equivalent po niyan ay silver package. Okay? So iba-ibang produkto. Bumili kayo ng product na may equivalent na 600 PB, so yung package nyo will be gold. Or yung higher na mga point value, pag niregister nyo yan, ang inyong magiging package ay diamond. Okay, so at first, it doesn't matter. Okay, but later on, while you do the business, pwede nyo pong i-upgrade later on once you get to know and understand the business. Okay, and together with that, as a member, you are entitled to have a business portal or online portal. Nandiyan po lahat ng mga directory ng mga offices natin around the globe. Malay nyo, yung mga kamag-anak nyo sa Amerika, di ba? Malapit lang pala yung opisina nila doon sa atin, right? So, pwede sila maka-avail ng mga produkto. So, nandiyan yung location, contact person, contact number, yung address nila. And if you're going to do the business, lahat po ng mga transaction nyo is recorded inside your business portal. At ito po ay lifetime membership. Wala po itong renewal every year. Okay? So what we're going to discuss now is the fast track income. This is about the sponsorship bonus, loyalty redemption points level pairing bonus. I will go directly to the explanation by giving you an example. Okay? So yan po ay ayan, papakita ko sa inyo na okay. Kayo po ay nag-join, member na kayo. For example, bumili kayo ng Classic. So equivalent niyan ay silver package. Right? So pag bumili kayo, you use the product, magandang epekto sa inyo. So the normal thing to do is to share your testimony to a lot of people, right? Specifically, syempre, within the family, friends, okay? And of course, yung may same health condition na katulad nung sa inyo, na-improve. So, syempre, tatanungin nila kayo, anong ginamit mo, anong ginawa mo? So, kwento-kwento. And then, pagka sila bumili, again, meron silang product warranty, product insurance, meron sila na product PIN. At yung product PIN yan, pag niregister, equivalent to a particular package. For example, silver din yung package. So, meron kang reward dahil ikaw yung nag-refer. Okay, so what will you get is $20 na sponsorship bonus and meron kayong points. Okay? At yung points na yan, magugulat kayo because equivalent niyan is dollar. Our 1 point is equivalent to $1. So yung 70 points mo is converted into $70. Kaya meron kayong iniipon na points. Okay, in terms of dollars na yan. Okay? And then, Alangan namang i-share mo lang sa isa mong kakilala. So, i-share it to a lot of friends. So, let's say, another friend, sumubok, bumili, and then meron siyang product pin, ni-register. Again, you're going to have a sponsorship bonus. And of course, the points na pwede mong accumulate. Okay? And then, pagka yan pong mga points na yan ay na-accumulate nyo, pwede nyo pong gamitin pang-redeem ng free product na gusto nyo. Di po ba may pinakita ko sa inyo kanina na iba't ibang klase ng produkto? Yan. So, mamili lang po kayo dyan po. Ano yung presyo niya? Yun po yung ipunin nyo na points. Okay? For example, yung iTera Care, 380. So, ipunin nyo po na points, 380 points. So, pag nakaabot kayo niyan, meron na kayong libre na isa na iTera Care na wala kayong nilalabas na puhunan for free. So, ipunin nyo yung mga points nyo. And, let's say, ang registration po kasi ng ating mga product pin, dalawa lang. It's either in the left or in the right. So in this case, nakapaglagay kayo sa left, nakapaglagay na rin kayo sa right. So ang maganda po niyan, mag-prepare po yan. So yan po yung tinatawag nating level pairing. So nag-pair po yan, you will get $80. So all in all, nagko-compute natin, you earn 14,300. Remember, bumili ka ng produkto, it's because para gumaling or mag-improve ang health condition mo. And then you share it without knowing you're already doing the business by simply sharing it, right? So kumita ka pa. So somehow, nabawi mo na yung iyong puhunan. At ito pa yung maganda. Halimbawa, ikaw ay registered as silver, pero yung mga friends mo, ayaw nila ng silver. Gusto nila yung diamond, meaning to say yung mga high-end na mga produkto. So again, mas mataas na presyo, mataas ang points. At yung points na yan, equivalent to diamond account. So times 10 ang inyong kikitain. Because instead na 20, 200 ang ownership. So instead na 70, magiging 1,000 points. So yung 1,000 points na yan, again, dito sa equivalent of $1,000 na po pwede nyong gamitin na pang-redeem ng product. So, na-register nyo sa left, na-register nyo sa right, yung the same procedure. Okay, this time around, mas mataas lang yung points. So, kung mataas ang points, mas mataas ang pwede mo makuha na reward. And how much is that? That's 176,000 pesos. Wow! Just imagine, talaga naman, magkano inilabas mong puhunan? $380 or 21,660. Pero dalawang bumili sa'yo na diamond, 176,000. Wow, it's a total blessing. It's a double the blessing. Gumaling na yung sakit mo sa katawan mo, pati yung sakit mo sa bulsa gumaling na rin. Alright? Double purpose na. So, yan po yung fast track income. So, we still have a lot ways to earn. So, ma-explain po yan in other presentation that they are explaining in full. Alright? But for tonight, we're going to share to you, yun lang pong fast track income. Alright? So that ends our product and compensation plan presentation. So our reminder is to have one iTera Care device per household. I-share nyo po yan sa bawat kakilala nyo because surely it will bring life to every home. Mabubuhay yung dapat mabuhay at gagaling yung dapat gumaling. Again, it is our body that is healing itself. So it's always a good day to change lives. And